Okay.
All right, it's recording now.
Share your screen as well.
Are you seeing my screen?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so the problem is we're gonna have to exit the screen recording and go to the code. I mean, go to the
You're not sharing the screen though. You're not sharing the thing, bro. The PowerPoint.
yeah, no, the PowerPoint's right here. You see it?
Yeah.
All right, so now let me practice.
Can I share my screen and still have it recorded? Probably not. Never mind. Let's just turn in like the recordings, bro. At this point, gonna have to edit that out. Let me turn my screen off.
Okay. All right, wait.
You're recording, right?
Okay, now I know how to do it. All right. All right, let's start from here, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Can you zoom in? I don't know, like
Yeah, I'm gonna go to the slideshow.
mad blur. Okay, start. You have to go to.
Wait. Wait a minute.
Yo,
Yeah, well, hold on. Let me see.
time is going. Fuck.
Take a screenshot. Never mind. Wait.
What do you need?
Never mind. All right, I got it now. All right, let's do this. All right. All right. So this is the 10 out of 10 presented by yours truly, Shamarke Botan.
In India Jadi.
And this is the meal planner and recipe app. So about this app, we create this app for people who struggle to plan their meals and struggle to balance their nutrition and consistently have an effective schedule throughout the week. So me and my partner decided to create a mobile app where we can develop these meals and have a balanced program for users to consistently track their progress throughout a week.
Next. Next.
It's your turn.
Oh, you already said this.
Okay.
Oh my god.
All right, start over. Okay. So this is the 10 to 10 presented by yours truly, Remarkable Time.
Yeah, in India Jadi.
And this is the meal planner and recipe app. We created this app for people who struggle to plan their meals and track their nutrition and manage their groceries efficiently. Me and my partner have created a mobile app where users can effectively and efficiently develop their own plans throughout the whole week and create a balanced diet system for themselves and create a meal program for themselves where they can consistently go to every day and look throughout the whole week.
Next. One more. Our firstly, the usual problem and requirements. Our goal was to create a user-friendly mobile application that allows people to log in securely, explore, categorize meal options, filter meals based on dietary need like vegetarian, vegans, and gluten-free, and also add meals to their favorites. Plan meals for the entire weekend. Automatically generate a grocery list based on the selected meal. Next.
For example, for the inputs and outputs of the system, the user login info, for example, when the user logs into the or user goes into the app, they'll be approached with the user login information where they'll have to put in the username and password. We have put this first so that users can effectively be able to store their information to their own accounts so that whenever they log in, they can effectively see whatever they saved or their previous saved information. We also have the meal category, the selections, the dietary preferences, and the selected meals per day, where users can input this information. And then the outputs of this information, you can now generate a filtered meal list, a nutrition breakdown, a grocery list, and save favorites and weekly plans, where users can have all the information saved onto the app, and they can consistently look at it throughout the whole week and build a consistent schedule.
App design overview. This app was designed with simplicity in mind using the Flutter app application, which allows us to build for both Android and the web app. The structure of this app is split into several screens, for example, which includes login screen, home screen, meal detail screen, favorite screen, meal planner screen, grocery list screen. And we use Flutter widget like yeah, that's it. We use Flutter widget like list view and drop down buttons. Okay.
For the user interface, we have a grid of meal types with images. For example, the different meals, like for example, lunch, dinner, breakfast, brunch, different meals, whether it be soup, salads, or the breakfasts, or any other the desserts, we'll have images for each one. And then we have the drop-down filters for each dietary preference for each meal. So we have different options where users can create their own, where they can look for vegetarians, they can look for meals for vegans, for fiber free. So it'll be different, like different options, and then you have the meal detail screen section with the calories and protein. Each meal will have their own protein information, calorie information saved on there already, so users can already look through these and make their own research themselves. And then you have a favorites weekly planner with drop downs. The favorites can be selected by each user as they go through their meals and which ones they like, so they can save and they don't have to look for it in the future. The weekly planner will have drop downs for throughout the whole week from Monday to Sunday, where users can select what they want to eat for and select what they want to eat 3 days ahead of time or a couple days ahead of time so they already know and be already a couple steps ahead.
Here's the home screen that showcases the UI side. There's a welcome page. There's a welcome message that says, "What would you like to eat?" And then that showcases different type of meals. And at the bottom, we have three features that says quick access, nutrition breakdown for each meal, meal suggestion for you, users' preferences. And then on the top right, we have the search engine that allocates and search through the um, mobile app. And then on the right, we have the log out. And also on the top left, we have the hamburger that showcase the overview of the page, like the login, the home screen, the meal, favorite meal planner, and all of that.
On and then after that we have after you press one and in the meals you have a nutrition breakdown for each one. For example, you see the oatmeal with the calories and the protein involved, and then as you go through the different nutritions, you select each meal, and then you have different types of soups. For example, you have the tomato soup, the chicken noodle soup, everything. This goes for each meal or each type of meal that you have throughout the day, whether it be breakfast, dinner, or lunch. So users will be able to have different options and different information for each one.
And the planner screen, we have the days of the week where users can select and have the options to pick the one they want to, the what type of meal or what type of meal preference they're willing to, get from the app. And also, there's a drop down that shows the type of meals, for example, vegans, low carbs, high protein, stuff like that, and then snacks, and and then there's a grocery list that's consolidate all the selected item. But yeah.
For the testing process, we have manual testing across categories, filters, planners, and favorites. We use these throughout the whole where we have different test cases throughout the whole development of the program and the app. So that way, therefore, we have different scenarios where in case if it didn't work out, we'll have different features that we could use. The data used, we have 5 meals per category with tags, calories, and protein. We really could have used more and put more meals into each category, but we figured that 5 meals would be enough for for users to be able to see. And like it's a good beginner phase for users that we don't have to get confused with the meals, what they want. And also we have the bug tracking where we have where the issues we face throughout the whole program. The biggest ones for me will be the drop down filter is not working, where we have to fix tag logic, where we will select a meal and we will decide where we'll try to like pick if it was a vegan or if it was a non-vegan or if it was vegetarian or everything. An error will come up. So we put a tag on each one, and each one we will have we will have a feature where low case will be allowed and different types of case values will be allowed. So that fixed the program. And the search not return the meals, that was also another issue, but we resolved that with query handling.
And this here, there's a code snippet of the program that will, some of the code snippet from the project.
So now we have the filtering meal by tag. This filter meal is based on user selected dietary preference, whether it be vegan, vegetarian, or gluten-free. Like I said earlier, if all is selected, as you can see, it shows all meals. Otherwise, if it checks, it checks if otherwise if it's not, it checks if the tags of a meal like vegan, gluten-free, or if they contain like the selected filter. We make everything lowercase to avoid mismatch issues, like I said earlier, to fix the tag issues.
Here is the navigating between screen snippet. Um, this pushes a new screen onto the navigation stack within the program. The meal type is passed as an argument, so the new screen knows which meal to show. Example: the lunch or dinner, and it is also used. It is used in integration of gesture detector or on top events for meal categories. Saving and loading favorites, which is another big one. When the heart icon is clicked by the user, a meal name is added to the favorite section of the page, which stores it in the device using shared preference on the app on an app launch, and also loads saved favorite into the memory. Yeah, that's it.
So when we have the next one, which is called the generate the grocery list. This selected meals variable is a map of each day to a meal. For each selected meal, it grabs its ingredient list from the meal ingredients that you see over there, and these ingredients are added to a set. The set variable avoids the duplicates. The result is a complete grocery list generated from the weekly meal plan, and therefore it gives users an option or different options or basically a whole list, all generate lists so that way they can go grocery shop for their meal. So next we will show the code. This is this is our meal planning app. As you can see, we can log in with a username and then password. You can log in and you have different images, like we said before, for breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner, snack, all different options below. You see, you drop down one meal, you drop down breakfast, you see different options, like we said, five different options. You see all the vegan, vegetarian, and the gluten-free. And then you see the option where you can do the favorites and you can select which one as you want as your favorite. For example, we'll pick two favorites. And then we'll see that later on. You see the options, you see the nutritions for each meal, for the pancakes, fruits, French toast. You see different proteins, calories. Like we mentioned before, we have suggestions for brunch. If you want to brunch, go for the avocado toast, or the French toast. And then we have also the meal planner where we have for a weekly, like we said, from a Monday to Sunday, where you can look ahead. You can go ahead and do your chicken salad, and then you could do your you want to do a veggie wrap, and then on Monday you want to do a scrambled eggs. You go to and it makes a grocery list for you, everything you need for all of that. And then as you can see, as we made the favorites earlier, we can go see the favorites that we made and it shows up already for you. So that's the most useful thing. You go to the home page and then you can see the search where you can search different meals. And then you have the log out page where a new user can log out and they can log into their own. So as we conclude, as we conclude our as we conclude our PowerPoint, we this project met all function requirements like it had that the professor offered us in the outline. The user can plan meals efficiently, and we can successfully say that we are beyond excited and ready for the real world testing improvements of this app. We think is well equipped and well ready for users to be able to efficiently save their meals and save the plans for like a weekly. So we were able to give so it was good to be able to efficiently show our displays of teamwork. I could say it was a fun journey and I enjoyed it. So thank you and hope everyone has a good day.
In conclusion to that, this Kenny, this was a great learning experience for both me and my team. We learned a lot about the structure of a Flutter project, saving and loading data locally into the machine, handling the user interactions and navigation, and also working as a team on this same code base was a great thing for me. We're proud of what we built as a team, and a clean and working app that solves a real problem. And thank you very much. Have a blessed day.
So this is the 10 of 10. We have shown great ways of teamwork. We have both effectively be able to hold our own with the work we were able to do. And we both did split the work half and half, so we were able to efficiently be able to get this app done and running for all the users, and hopefully it could be used one day. Thank you, and everyone have a good day.
Did they save? You have to. You're still recording. Be careful with the saving though. Yo,
Where is the recording?
huh. You don't want recording.
All right, stop recording.